Check one, two, check one, two, check one, two. What is up, guys? Your boy Kagi, back at it again with a new video. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to build your home on Archeworld. So it was a little bit hard for me to build this home right here. So I decided to record the process, how to build a home. I'm gonna give it to you step by step so you guys don't have the same issues that I had. So here we go. Obviously, the first step is to buy one of these land plots. If you guys don't have a land plot, I do have a video on how to buy one of these land plots. The link to that video should be in the description and it should pop up on the top right of this video. Now, if you do have a land plot, then it's very, very easy. The first thing you have to do is press N. You go to N right here and you're gonna go to buildings. You need to buy a blueprint for the house that you're going to build in this land plot. One of the mistakes that I did right off the bat was to buy the biggest home that I could build on this land plot. I have a large land plot, so therefore my maximum amount of home that I can have, the biggest home that I can have, is actually a medium house style bait. But the reality is that the best way to start is with a tent. It's cheaper and it's easier to get the resources. I realized that I bought the best blueprint, and the resources to get this blueprint up and going, this home up and going, is actually way more difficult. There's way more things that you have to do. Nonetheless, that's the one I bought, so I'm gonna teach you with this blueprint. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is going to cost you 1,080 B-Salt. B-Salt obviously is the cryptocurrency for this game, and of course, I do have a video on how to get this cryptocurrency and deposit it inside the game. You're gonna need this for many things within the game, and also this is a currency that you actually earn while you are farming in this game with your land, etc, etc. Now the next step is to claim your land in the mail. So you're gonna go to the marketplace mail, you're gonna go to your mail, and you're gonna claim your land, as you can see on the screen right here. I couldn't find it for the longest. Now it's in your inventory once you claim it. All right, once you have placed your land, you want to go ahead and press F, and you can see right here, you can hit the remodel button. In this remodel button, you're going to see a bunch of houses that you can pick from. They're all kind of the same. In reality, the space is the same. It's the same sizes, but with different models. And it tells you the resources that you're going to need. Now, because I chose one of the biggest plots to build, these resources were really, really hard to get. So what I did was I went to the marketplace and I actually bought them from other players that had farmed them before. So in reality, if you want to build a home like this and not pay another player for the resources, you in reality need to farm first and then upgrade later. So you don't want to go ahead right away and get the biggest house. If you go for the biggest house, basically you're gonna end up, buying resources from other players. All right, so the first thing our recipe is asking for is a bag of processed ingots. So you can get this right here at the smelter. So you can go to the marketplace, find the smelter, and create this bag. Now to create this bag is actually pretty deep. You need to do quite a few things. So if you go right here to bag of processed ingots, it's gonna cost you 50 processed ore to be able to create one bag. For this recipe, we need 3 of these. So it's quite a process. Now to create those ingots, you need metal lump ore. To create a metal lump ore, you need to place a mining drill on your land plot. Now, if you want to get the mining drill, you can get it right here. As a matter of fact, you can go ahead and go to this merchant right here and you could grab the mining drill. Now this mining drill is going to take you a little bit to farm these resources, so that's why I'm telling you it is better to just buy the resources and then go ahead and smelt them. Now if you want to buy those resources, you can go right here, press P, and go to the auction house and put processed ore on the search bar, and then you can buy processed ore for B-Salt or BSLT. Another resource that this building is asking me for is 2 bags of processed fabric. So the same thing, you're gonna have to create this fabric by planting some seeds, and then those seeds you're gonna convert it into processed fabric, and then that processed fabric you're gonna convert it into a bag of processed fabric. Now the best way is to already buy the processed fabric. Another resource that this building is asking for is lumber. So lumber, same thing, you would plant a seed need for a tree, you would cut it down, and then you would produce lumber. Now that lumber, you need to process it. You process the lumber and you get processed lumber. Now you're gonna need that processed lumber to create a bag of processed lumber. So we need 3 of these. So I went ahead as well. I went to the marketplace, went to processed lumber. I bought 150 processed lumber, and then I created my bags right here. Now the last resource that this home is asking me for is finishing 2 shed bundle. This one as well, you need to either craft it or you can buy it from the marketplace. As you can see, I don't have enough right here, so I went ahead and bought it from the marketplace. Now very important, when you craft these bags, they're gonna be very heavy, and one of the things is that if you leave it in the floor in the open, anybody can grab them. So you want to do this with a few friends. You want to do this with a few friends so nobody takes your resources and grabs them and runs away with it. Now, as you're transporting these resources, you want to drop them in your land so nobody can grab them. If you drop them outside of your land, then anybody can grab them. As you can see on the screen, we gathered with the Juice team today and we constructed our guild home together. There was at least 10-15 people in the Discord, and as you can see, we grabbed the first resource that the home is telling us to use, which was the ingot, and then the second one was here, the fabric. We had to use the fabric twice. Third one was the wood, as you can see on screen. The fourth one was a touche. We used it 3 times, and it was one of the funnest events that I have ever done. So right here we finished our home and we went all together to open the door. It was a beautiful event. It was a beautiful event. There's something about MMORPGs that you cannot beat. You cannot beat. You know, hanging out with other friends just makes life so much easier. So there you guys have it. This is how you build a home. If you guys want to join our team, make sure you hit the link in the description. If you guys enjoy our content, make sure you guys follow us at the Juice Gaming Team on Twitter. And if you guys want to stay up to date with Web3 gaming news, make sure you guys follow Juice Gaming News on Twitter. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video.